40 at Statesville and 40 at Greensboro. Raleigh-Durham reported 44, Fayetteville reported 47, Wilmington reported 51, and Asheville reported 35. In South Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 42 at Greenville-Spartanburg and 49 at Columbia. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Charlotte Airport, it was 44 degrees and mostly sunny. Here is a weather statement. Freeze warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. Freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. What? For the first freeze warning, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 32. For the second freeze warning, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 26 expected. Where? Portions of northeast Georgia, Piedmont of North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. When? For the first freeze warning, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. For the second freeze warning, from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. Impacts, frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take... situations, build receivers can be activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day.
6 hours!
Will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the translator, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Jackson, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Staley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Tone Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, October 31st, 2023. Here is a weather statement. Freeze warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. Freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m.
Would have been a perfect activation.
Warning, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 32. For the second freeze warning, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 26 expected. Where? Portions of northeast Georgia, Piedmont of North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina.